Hi guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. Hey guys, I just come on just to say hello to everybody, see how everybody's doing. I haven't been around much. I got some videos coming up, but I have been, I guess, enjoying the weather a little bit and just taking some time off, dealing with life things, figuring out life things. Um, all that fun, good stuff. I'm in New Jersey, so today they issued that now you have to wear your mask even outside. Uh, like I guess if the people on the beach, like if you can't be 6 feet apart, you have to wear the mask. And when you're walking to your car, if there's other people, like all these things. So it's just going crazy here. And I see that most of the country has it going again. So if you are where the virus is going, coming again, resaturating, reinfecting, whatever, I'm sending my love to you guys because it's scary. It's scary for those of us who are already ill and have issues that you really have to watch. So I apologize for the light in my glasses and all the things. If I take them off, you're going to see my. Ugh, look at that. Look at those black eyes. Anyway, so I'll just do it like this. Um, yeah, so I just wanted to see how you guys are doing. I wanted to tell you guys also that I'm not ashamed of this. I'm more ashamed of the way I look right now coming on video than telling you this. I just ordered myself some Golden Girls tarot cards. I did. I ordered Golden Girl tarot cards. I'm like, yes, please. If they had Laverne and Shirley ones, so if you ever see Laverne and Shirley ones, let me know. Because yeah, I could have Laverne and Shirley ones too. Am I showing my age? Maybe. Yeah. So what have you guys been working on? I've still been like painting and doing things like that. Nothing very. Uh, I've been obsessed with birds. More birds outside than me drawing or painting because I'm not good at that. But hummingbirds, obsessed with. Obsessed with. We have at 2:30. It's around 2:30 every day. No lie. We have like 3 or 4 hummingbirds that come and eat off the thing. So then I went out and got flowers for them, like those flowers, the tube flowers or whatever they are, to plant near there where their little feeder is, so they can just come and eat. So I love that. Dave and I love that. And so I got that. And then, like, out in my yard, what I'll do is I can't do it today because I'm so frustrated. I mean, they can't help it. They need a new roof. But the people next door are getting a new roof. So one thing that I've been doing is I've been going out. We don't have a pool. We have, because we couldn't get any kind of pool around here because everything sold out everywhere online and everything. So, oh, my lighting is on me weird. So we got a couple years ago we got a pool that is, how big is it? I think it's like 30 inches by, I don't know, 48. I don't know. It goes up to like my hip, I guess. But so I mean it's like a wading pool, but we all three can fit in it, believe it or not. And we're not touching each other, we're not near each other. When I take a video outside, I'll show you guys. But what I did was, because you can still get those. I've had it for a couple of years, but we've been going out and I've been exercising in it, and Emily's been exercising in it. So it's very helpful that way. And I wanted to go exercise today because 2 days ago we had massive storms all day, ripped up my whole yard. And then yesterday it was supposed to rain all day and it didn't. It was sunny. So I was like, okay, today I'm going to go in and exercise because I didn't get to do it the past 2 days. And then the neighbors are getting a new roof. And why I cannot go in is because in our yard where we have the pool, I mean, the roofers are right there, so they can see in, and there's like a million men on the roof, and I just don't feel comfortable doing that. Something's really bothering my eye, so I don't feel comfortable doing that today, and I'm really sad because, when you get into, and I've lost a little bit of weight, but like when you get into it, and it's like, okay, I'm gonna go exercise today. It's hot as hell out there, and I'm gonna go enjoy the sun and enjoy. Um, how I feel when I'm just like walking, doing that or whatever I do, the water exercises, whatever. So I'm kind of bummed over that, but I'll get over it. I can find other things to do. Um, but I've been trying to, do that so I can lose a little bit of weight because in this whole quarantine thing, I've gained a little bit of weight. And I want to get that off plus more. So been doing that. And just enjoying like the backyard because really we can't do anything else. Uh, so I like to go out and sit in the sun a little bit or, swim or exercise and work in the garden a little bit. Just something that makes me feel like I'm doing something. Not that I go shopping a lot because we are people who stay home anyway. We like to stay home. Um, but you know, uh, I think it's more like, oh, I can't go walk Michael's, on a random day, or I need to go to Harbor Freight, or I need to go to Home Depot, and it's a pain in the butt. I got to get gloves on and it's just a pain. So I don't like doing it. Been buying a lot from Amazon that I need, which kind of opened my eyes to the fact of how much I buy when I'm able to go to the store and buy. Because I see my Amazon and I'm like, oh, what are you doing? What are you gonna do? And that's about all. But yeah, I was excited to tell you that I was gonna get the Golden Girls because I think I have 3 or 4 um packages of cards, my tarot cards, and I was sitting and I was like looking on Amazon and looking on the border, no, not Borders, Barnes and Noble. Anybody remember Borders? Barnes and Noble and on my Wiccan sites and tarot and all that kind of thing. And I know a lot of you probably are going to be like, I don't want to hear this, but I've talked about this before briefly. That some people believe that you should be given your tarot cards, so that it's bad luck to buy them. I think if somebody gives you tarot cards, I think that's phenomenal, great, wonderful. But I also like to buy my own, so um, especially if I go out to the stores, which I haven't done. But I've been doing, my tarot and doing different things. So I thought, you know what? I love the Golden Girls, and I thought it would be cute and fun to have them, and I want to read them and see what they're like, because each cards are a little different. And I mean, obviously, you could buy a million different tarots. So that's that. And I want to start, I've been doing some crystal gritting. Um, and I've been doing oh gosh, what the heck is it called? I just lost the name. Crap, I'll remember it. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm not going to waste this video on that because I know a lot of you don't dig that. But yeah, and I've been painting and doing stuff. I'm doing my big canvas of the girl sitting at the beach. I've been working on that. I'm making Emily a pair of pajama pants, shorts. I don't know if I can, let me show you the fabric. And I've been obsessed with, now, let me, all the things. I'm obsessed with everything. What am I not obsessed with? So, you can see, I love this fabric. But it's not enough for her shorts. So, I got this, which is pink polka dot. And so, what the heck is my thing on? Let me just see. There we go. So yeah, so this is, I'm going to cut out the pattern and just make her some linen, pajama shorts because she likes them. And hopefully I can get maybe 2 pair out of it. I don't know. Oh, that's one thing I miss is going into Joann's and buying fabric. Now my husband and my daughter have been very, and please, I don't want any hate. I don't care. I'm not speaking for me, but my husband and daughter are avoiding all Trump supported businesses, which is very hard because apparently a lot of people like Hobby Lobby, Home Depot, blah, blah, blah. This isn't a political statement, but for them it is. They won't shop anywhere like that they know that supports Trump. Um, So, like going to Hobby Lobby, like they have these things that I need, and like he's like, we're not going to Hobby Lobby. They said, and I'm just like, but I just need these three things. So that's been the debate lately, which I totally understand. Maybe you support Trump and you don't support, I don't know, Biden or whatever, and maybe he supports Lowe's and you don't want to go there. Like everybody has their gig. I don't care. I don't care what you do or what you don't do. It's not my business. My business is my business. Your business is your business. Um, so I don't get on here too much and rant and rave. I could, but I mean, everybody got their own gig, so who am I? Yeah, and I've been doing a lot of resin, and I just been having fun, just doing little things, and I just don't feel right now. I don't feel like there's any reason that I should be on like doing my stuff on video unless there's a reason. Like I'm not doing anything phenomenal. I'm not doing anything right now that's worthy of wasting anybody's time watching because it's just me either drawing or doing a painting or now I have a couple things that I'm going to be doing coming up that I will be doing on video, uh, or I might just take, I've been thinking about doing more blog posts where I just take pictures of like each stage. Let me know what you guys think of that. If that's something that you would do, like you would go check out. I'm also going to be writing a little bit on my blog, more stuff I guess that if people seek it out they can read it. It probably isn't going to be great stuff for me to do on here, my thoughts, because I just don't know. You guys are here for art, not for my inner thoughts, inner demons. Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to check in and say hi. I've gotten so many messages on Facebook and so many emails from you guys asking where I'm at, asking how I'm doing, even in the comments on certain videos, like, are you okay? What's going on? And I appreciate that so much from the bottom of my heart. It makes me feel fantastic. I know, I want to go live and I want to do all these things. It's just I don't like I don't know. Like sometimes it feels weird, like with everything going on. Like, are you really gonna come spend your time listening to me babble about God knows what? Um, because I can babble. Um, I can show you stuff I'm doing and thoughts and all that, but I don't know. I don't know what I don't know what to do. I really don't. So I appreciate any thoughts that you guys might have. Please let me know down below how you guys are doing. Um, I just another thing I've been doing, I'm just trying to think like, because I always get emails like, what are are you okay? What's going on? Another thing I've been doing is this is so ridiculous. Copycat recipes. So like my next new big thing is going to be um TGI Fridays. No, not no, we just did that one. I'm sorry, my brain. We just did the TGIF Fridays Jack Daniels sauce with the do you know how you get the Jack Daniels chicken things? Oh my god, they were so good. So Dave did that. So I said to him, the next time we do it, I'm gonna record it. For whoever wants it. Anybody, you guys might not even know what the heck it is. They're so delicious. And when you go to Fridays now, we went to Fridays before all this happened, before all the before March, I think it was, and we ordered, like you get like a side of the Jack Daniel's strips, and they used to get like these big things of them, and like Dave looked at me, he was like, "Should we have ordered two? Like, why did they shrink them so much?" And then half of them were like over fried. They just weren't enjoyable, and you're paying for them. This lighting though. Uh, so, you know, we just started kind of making our own. Let's see if that's a little bit better. Started making our own to where we liked them. So we did. He made the recipe and we ate them. Emily even ate them and we were dipping our fries. Like, it was just really good. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I'd appreciate it. I've been getting a lot of migraines lately. Like I have chronic migraines. I've had them since I was little, but lately it's like and I don't want to like give into it and go lay down, but you know when that nauseousness starts and you're just like I can't fight it anymore. Anyway, so yes, we made that. But my next thing that I'm doing, where I just got all the ingredients, it's another thing I got off of Amazon because I can't go like to store to store to store. Like before, I would be like, oh, let's go to Aldi's and ShopRite and Walmart and let me see if I can get these different spices or whatever. But we're gonna make General Tso's chicken, which is a Chinese dish. It's kind of like sesame chicken, and I am so freaking excited because it's one of our favorites. And you know, not that Chinese food is that expensive, but they put a lot of like salt and stuff that really affects me. I can't. I'm on stage 4 kidney disease, so I have to watch my salt and fluid and you know, because then it holds in my left leg. It's a big old thing. Um, so I have to watch. So it really sucks because if I like fight, if I'm like, oh, I'll just have a little bit of Chinese food, I get sick. So there's that. So I want to make it on my own. That and then sweet and sour chicken. So if you guys have any good recipes for any copycat out there, let me know down below, or that you would like to see, because I'm going to start doing that. That's one of the things I've been doing a lot of, and I thought, you know, maybe there are people out there who, plus I like to make things like a little bit healthier. Plus I like to make them not healthy. Like it depends on, you know, what it is. So yeah, let me know. So yeah, the sweet and sour chicken will be after the General Tso's sesame chicken. So I'm very excited about that. And also the ultimate cheese fondue, which I have made a million times. I love it. It's from Red Lobster. So I'm gonna be making that too. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got. That's the excitement. That was way more than I even intended on coming on to tell you. So yeah, so that's it. But please, I hope you guys are all safe and well and doing well emotionally, mentally, you know, and health and physical. Um, but yeah, so thanks for watching. And, you know, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I cannot say, you know, we're all struggling out here. We're all struggling. And I'm just cutting the negative out. Like people who leave me a negative comment, boom, done, blocked. I don't care. I said to a lady the other day, left me a negative comment. I said, in right now in our society, in our world, we need so much less of you being negative and everybody being kind to each other. If you don't want to be kind to somebody, if you don't like them, I get that. Walk away. Why do people have to be even everywhere? And I'm just like, you know what? I'm done. Like I don't care. I don't care. Um it usually doesn't bother me, and she didn't bother me. It bothered me more that like she was taking time out of her day to like bash me over a video over. It was so stupid, and it was a video from like 5 years ago, and I started writing what I wanted to write, and then I was like, no, because I don't want to be that part in this world. I don't want to be negative. I don't want to be nasty. I'm just cutting people out of my life. I'm cutting it out. I'm cutting comments. I don't care. You're either with me or you're against me. That's how I'm looking at things anymore. And you're in between if you don't bother with me. And I feel the same way. So please just be kind to each other for God's sake. You know, if I'm standing in line and an older couple or person comes behind me and, you know, I'm like, here, go. You go before me. Get out of here. I don't want you, you know, having to wear your mask longer than you need to or be around this any more than you need to, or just in general, even before this happened. So anyway, I'm going to get off my high horse, soapbox, whatever it's called. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for taking time to watch my video today. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.